Some armadillos here. Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, checking in with all of you out here in this beautiful wilderness, hiking on some of these trails, going off the beaten path, enjoying the nature, scenery, seeing what we can discover along the way. Old fencing here. Really enjoying it out here, exploring further into the woods here. Some of these old trails going off the beaten path. Beautiful scenery. That way through the woods are some swamps and a creek. So I'm currently just hiking along these areas and see where some of these places lead to. Hiking back out here on some of the hiking trails here. Was following some unmarked trails there through the woods. There's so many of those here as well. Roaming through this wilderness, exploring all kinds of trails here. A lot of unmarked trails and overgrown paths like this. I'm just following as long as I can. Some of them end in the swamps, some keep going, and makes you just want to keep exploring the area. So I like to come out to these places and scout as much as I can. Gives me a lot of ideas and inspiration for areas to explore besides just the hiking trails here. I followed one of the trails up to this area. I'm at the trailhead at this preserve, and when you're hiking here, the trailhead can be accessed off this road right in this area here. But the parking lot for this trailhead is probably about a quarter mile or so down that way. So you park down there, you walk the sidewalk down to this trailhead, and you can enter in to the reserve and enjoy the trails here. So this road right here turns onto this one, which is called Lizard's Trail Road, and the parking lot for the trailhead is just down this way. Here is the parking lot for the preserve, Cypress Creek Nature Preserve. This land was acquired in 1999. So it's a nice piece of wilderness here to experience that hasn't been developed and is protected. There's the area where you can park. There's places where you can sit. There's a kiosk here, some information about the trails.